Ashley Metzger is with the Desert Water Agency, and thanks for joining us today. We're talking about jobs that the water agency has.
Yes, I think it's a really good idea to think about a career in the water agency. So water agencies can be private companies, sometimes they're a city department, but most of the local water agencies are actually their own public agencies.
Okay.
So whether you have a job now or you're going to school and looking towards the future, I think it's important to think about a job that really makes a difference. And this is definitely it. Working in the public sector means that if there's ever an emergency, a big earthquake per se, then we are emergency responders. We're required to make sure our family is safe and then go and help the community get things back in order. And at the end of the day, we're accountable to the community. You know, the people elect the boards that run our agencies. So
the water just doesn't come out of the faucet. I mean, there's actually a lot of work that goes into making sure not only that the water is there, but that the water is safe, and in a disaster or some type of emergency, you guys need to jump out to make sure that the water supply is still there and safe.
Well, in an emergency, but like you said, every day, just to make sure that the water keeps flowing, it takes a team, and it may not just be the positions you're thinking of, like a lab director to check the quality of the water, or engineers. There are a lot of different jobs involved. We have people who have to answer the phones. We have finance and accounting people who work on billing. We have IT people who work on our computer systems and security systems. There's people that do operations, and they have electrical skills and work on our hydropower plants and our solar power plants and our boosters and our pumps.
There's all kinds of things going on at the water agency that you might not even think about.
Yes.
Not necessarily water related, but they're all skills that go right into the delivery of water.
Yes, and you may even have some of these skills already and not realize that they're so transferable to the water industry.
Now, I'm also told that it's a pretty stable career too, so that's something to sell it.
Well, you need, anywhere in the world you are, they need water. So if you decide to get into water now, wherever life takes you, that's a great option. So if you decide, hey, I want to move to Australia, there's a thriving water industry wherever you go. So it's not centric to our location, which I think is helpful.
If people want to find out more, you guys have careers that are either open or will be opening. You never know when. What do people do to find out more?
They can go to www.dwa.org/careers.
Okay.
And you can always apply for any of our entry-level positions. And the great thing is that once you get in the door, there's so much room for growth. We have so many people at the agency who started at the entry level and years later are now in management positions doing great things.
Good stuff. Ashley, appreciate you being here today. And of course, if you want to find out more, check out that website. Thanks for being here.